In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a Google Drive API folder ID. If you need to connect Google Drive to another app, set up an automation, or work with the Google Drive API, one of the most common things you'll need is the folder ID. The good news is that it's very easy to find, and you can do it directly from your browser in just a moment. First, go to Google Drive. Open your web browser, head to Google Drive, and make sure you're signed into the correct account if you use more than one. This matters because the folder ID you're looking for will only be available in the account where that folder actually exists. Once you're in Google Drive, navigate to the folder whose ID you want to find. You can do this by browsing through your files and folders or by using the search bar if that's faster. Take your time here and make sure you've selected the exact folder you want, especially if you have multiple folders with similar names. After that, double-click the folder to open it. This step is important because you want the folder itself to be active and displayed in the main window. Opening the folder updates the web address so it points specifically to that location in Google Drive. Now look at your browser's address bar. This is where the folder ID can be found. At first glance, the link may look long or a little confusing, but you only need one specific part of it. Locate the URL and focus on the section that appears after the last /. In most cases, that string of letters, numbers, and symbols is the folder ID. That is the value typically used when a tool, script, or API asks for a Google Drive folder ID. A helpful tip here is to copy only that ID, not the entire URL, unless the service you're using specifically asks for the full link. If you accidentally include extra characters or copy the wrong part of the address, the connection may not work correctly. So to quickly recap, you go to Google Drive, navigate to the folder you need, open it, check the address bar, and then identify the unique string in the URL that represents the folder ID. That's all there is to it. Once you know where to look, finding a Google Drive API folder ID is quick and straightforward, and it can save you time when setting up integrations or working with Google Drive programmatically.